for circle parabola. S is identically equal to x square plus y square plus 2dx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. S is identically equal to y square minus 4x equal 0. P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 2 points. Notations. Already we know that how to write the S1 symbol, S2 symbol, S12, S11, S11. X squared means x into x, y into y, x plus x, y plus y plus c, 2gx, x plus x equal 2x, y plus y equal 2y. How to write S1? 1x replaced by x1, 1y replaced by y1, y1. So S1 is x1, xx1, yy1, g into x plus x1, f into y plus y1 plus c S12 1x replaced by x1, another x replaced by x2. So this equation becomes to x1 x2 y1 y2 g into x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 plus c. S11 direct substitution of the point, x1 square y1 square 2gx1 2fy1 plus c. Similarly, in the chapter also, S is identically equal to y square, that is y into y, minus 2a into x plus x equal 2x, 2x into 2a, 4ax. Same concept, S1 1x replaced by x1, 1y replaced by y1. So y1 minus 2a x plus x1. S12 1y replaced with y1, second y with y2, minus 2a into x1 plus x2. S11 direct substitution of the point, y1 square minus 4a x1. Same rotation in circle, parabola, another two chapters, ellipse and hyperbola. Same concept. 1x S1 means 1x replaced with x1, 1y replaced with y1. S12, 1x with x1, second x with x2, 1y with y1, second y with y2. Next, circle, parabola. Any line joining 2 points, any line joining 2 points on the circle is called a chord. Similarly, any 2 points joining on the parabola is also called a chord. Equation of the chord joining a x1 y1, b x2 y2, a x1 y1, b x2 y2 is s1 plus s2 equal to s12. In both chapters, we have 4 chapters: circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. In all these 4 chapters, equation of the chord joining the 2 points s1 plus s2 equal to s12. Equation of the tangent at x1 y1. This is the given circle s equal to 0. S equal to 0. Equation of the tangent at the point is s1 equal to 0. Similarly, in the parabola, equation of the tangent to this parabola at the point P is s1 equal to 0. This is s equal to 0 circle. Two tangents, P is a point outside the circle. So, two tangents are drawn to the circle. They meet the circle at A and B. This AB line is called a chord of contact. This is the only chord. The line joining where these tangents touch the circle. So this is called chord of contact. This is the parabola. This is P point. This is also called a chord of contact. Equation of the chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0. In all 4 chapters, circle, parabola, coming chapters, ellipse and hyperbola, equation of the chord of contact is S1 equal 0. Equation of the tangent at the point S1 equal to 0. Next. This is a circle S equal 0. Suppose P inside the circle. This is a chord through P. This chord cuts the circle at A and B. Tangents are drawn at A and B. S is a circle. P is a point inside the circle. A chord through P cuts the circle at A and B. Tangents at A and B intersect at this point. This is another chord through P. Tangents at this point. Tangent at this point. Intersect at this one. So there are a number of points like this one. This one. They lie on a straight line. This line is called a polar. This point is called a pole. This line is called polar. This point is called a pole. Same definition in the parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So equation of the polar is also equal to S1 equal 0. Equation of the tangent, equation of the chord of contact, equation of the polar. Again, equation of the tangent, equation of the chord of contact, equation of the polar, all are equal to S1 equal to 0 in all four chapters. Next, suppose P lies outside, then polar intersect the circle. Suppose P lies on the circle, then this polar is nothing but the tangent line. Polar and tangent are coincide. In parabola also. Suppose P lies on the parabola, polar equation becomes to tangent equation. Suppose P lies inside the circle, then the polar does not touch and not intersect the circle. Similarly, this one also. Suppose P lies inside, then polar is this one. Same concept. Next, in the circle, this is a chord P, x1, y1 is a midpoint of the chord. Listen carefully. AB is the chord, P is the midpoint of the chord, underline that point, midpoint of the chord. So equation of this is S equal 0 circle. Equation of the chord having x1, y1 as its midpoint is S1 equal to S11. This is chord equation. S1 plus S2 equal S12. This is chord of contact. S1 equal 0. This is also a chord. but special condition is P is the midpoint of the chord. When midpoint of the chord is given, equation of the chord is S1 equal to S11. Similarly, in a parabola also, this is a chord AB. P is a midpoint of the chord. Midpoint of the chord. So, then equation of this chord is S1 equal to S11. S11. So, same formulas repeat outai in parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. Next, another formula. This is a circle. S equal to 0. P is a point. This is a tangent. This is another tangent through P to the circle S equal to 0. So, equation to the pair of tangents. Equation to the pair of tangents. S1 square equal to S into S11. Equation to the pair of tangents S1 square equal to S into S11. Similarly, in the parabola also. This is S equal to 0 parabola. P is a point x1, y1. Equation to the pair of tangents. S1 square equal to S into S11. Next. Suppose a line touches the circle. Then the condition is R equal to D. That is called a tangent condition. What is R? R is the radius of the circle. What is D? D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line L equal 0. R is the radius of the circle. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. So this is called a tangent condition in the circle. Next, in the parabola, listen. This is a y square equal 4x parabola. ఈ నోట్స్ మొత్తం రేపు మండే మీకు పేపర్ మీద రాసి PDF ఫైల్స్లో పంపిస్తాను. నోట్స్ మొత్తం జస్ట్ లిసన్. This is the parabola. The line Lx plus My plus n equal 0. Then what is the condition when this line touches the parabola? Proof is also important. Let S equal to y square minus 4x equal to 0. Let P x1, y1 be the point of contact. So, using these two, we calculate equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at the point is S1 equal to 0. So, apply S1 equal to 0. y square, y into y, 1y replace with y1, minus 2a into x plus x1 equal to 0, y square, y into y, x plus x, 1y replace with y1, 1x replace with x1. This is s1. This is the given parabola. P is a point on the parabola. Equation of the tangent at P is s1 equal to 0. s1 equal to 0 is y1 minus 2a x plus x1 equal to 0. Write in the order y1 y minus 2a x minus 2a x1 equal to 0. Multiply with the minus, we get 2ax minus y1y plus 2a x1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent at P. But given this equation is Lx plus My plus M, we calculate this equation S1 equal to 0. But given equation of this line is Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. This is the given line equation. This is, we calculate the line equation. 1 and 2 represents same line. Represents same line. Represents same line means x coefficient by x coefficient equal to y coefficient by y coefficient equal to constant by constant. So x coefficient 2a, x coefficient is 2a by x coefficient is L equal to coefficient of y minus y1 by M constant by constant 2a x1 by N, x coefficient by x coefficient equal to y coefficient by y coefficient equal to constant by constant. We calculate x1 y1. Take these two. 2a x1 by N equal to 2a by L. 2a cancel. So x1 value, x1 equal to by N becomes 2 into N, N by L. Take these two, minus y1 by M minus y1 by M equal to 2a by L. This implies y1 value minus 2am so this is x1 N by L. So P point x1 y1 equal to N by L minus 2am by L. This is also a one formula. That is a point of contact formula. Point of contact. N by L minus 2am by L. We want condition, not point. But this is also a formula. Point of contact is, remember this one, N by L minus 2am by L. Next, this P point lies on the parabola. Lies on the parabola. So, substitute this point on the parabola equation. We get the condition. P lies on S equal to 0. Y square equal to 4x. Y value minus 2am by L whole square. 4a x value n by L. 4 a square m square by L square equal to 4a n by L. L cancel. 4 cancel. A cancel. By cross multiplying Ln equal to a m square.
మా మురళి మ్యూట్లో పెట్టుకోమ్మా.
This is the tangent condition in the parabola. Again, find the condition when this line touches the parabola. We want the condition. Given parabola is this one. Let Px1 y1 be the point of contact. Equation of the tangent with respect to the parabola is s1 equal to 0. y1 minus 2a x plus x1 multiply with the minus 2a. Multiply with the minus 2ax minus y1y plus 2a x1 equal 0. This is the tangent equation at the point P with respect to this circle. But given this line equation is Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. 1 and 2 represents same line. So, coefficient of x by coefficient of x equal to coefficient of y by coefficient of y equal to constant by constant. Take these two. 2a cancel. x1 value n by L. Take these two. Minus y1 by m equal to 2a by L. So y1 value minus 2a m by L. So point of contact, x value n by L, y value minus 2a m by L. This is also a formula. Find the point of contact, then we apply this formula. N by L equal to minus 2am by L. Next, this point P lies on the parabola. So substitute P point in the parabola equation. Y square minus 2am by L whole square equal 4a, where x value is n by L. 4a square m square by L square equal 4an by L. 4 cancel, L cancel, A cancel. So Ln equal to am square. Listen. This line touches the parabola. So point of contact n by L minus 2am by L, and the condition is a tangent condition. Ln equal to am square. Suppose given x square equal to, this is y square equal to 4x parabola. Suppose given x square equal to 4ay, Lx plus my plus n. What is the point of contact? What is the condition? Listen carefully. The difference between this equation and this equation, just interchange x and y letters. Y square equal 4x, x square equal 4ay. Just x, y letters are interchanged. Similarly, in this formula, x coordinate and y coordinate both are interchanged, and also L, M are also interchanged. That means this point of contact becomes, write this one in this place, minus 2a, where L and M are also interchanged. M becomes 2L by N by N. N by L. N by L becomes 2M. Interchange xy coordinates and also LM letters. Minus 2A, where M becomes to L by N. N by L becomes to N. L interchange with M. N by L. Similarly, the condition also. The condition interchange L and M. Interchange L and M. So M N equal to A L square L M, where L becomes to M. M becomes to L. So the tangent condition for this parabola is Mn equal to A L square, and point of contact minus 2AL by N by M. ఈ నోట్స్ మొత్తం మండే పెడతానమ్మా. రేపు వచ్చేటప్పటికి రేపు ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ బిగిన్ చేద్దాము. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు నోట్స్ ఇచ్చేసాను. నోట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్స్ మీకు వచ్చేసింది, చూడండి. అవి చూస్తూ ఉండండి. రేపు ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ చెప్పుకుందాం. దీని నోట్స్ ఏమో మండే ఇస్తాను. దీని నోట్స్ మొత్తం రేపు మండే రాసి మీకు పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? రైట్.